Welcome. In this lesson, we're just going to learn or understand the vertical line test for functions. If you're given a graph, so you don't have an equation, you don't have a bunch of ordered pairs. I mean, you could write all the ordered pairs for this down, even though lots of them are decimals. But the main thing is, if you were to write or draw a vertical line anywhere on the graph, if it ever touches the graph in more than one spot, so it touched right here, and it touched right here. That vertical red line touched in two places. It is not a function. So any vertical line. So as you go through these, what you're going to want to do is just say, okay, is it possible for me to somewhere in this graph to draw a vertical line that hits the graph in more than one spot? And so I draw this vertical line straight down like this, and lo and behold, I hit the graph in two spots. And so that means it is not a function. And that's all there is to this lesson. So again, you can only go by what the graph shows. I don't know what's going on out here, so don't worry about it. Just, is there any place on this graph that I can see that I can draw a vertical line that hits it more than once? And there isn't. I still just hit it once right there. I hit it once here. I hit it once here. There is no vertical line anywhere along that graph that it will hit it in more than one spot. So that one would be yes, a function. Obviously, no, not a function, because you can draw this vertical line right there. I'm really not going to waste any more of your time. If you have questions, do bring them to class, but just remember, you're looking for vertical lines that hit it in more than one spot. And there isn't one on here. Even though it's curvy, it's perfectly fine because this vertical line doesn't hit it more than once. Any vertical line will not hit that more than once. But if it's curvy this way, then those two are not functions. That's not a function, but that one is the one that's a function. Shouldn't get any harder than that. If you have any questions, please do bring them to class.